Hello friend, myself Rajesh from Universal Public School, Shahjani Aura. In last class, we studied the probability chapter and we complete. Now, today we start a new chapter as similarity. In part 2, geometry similarity. What is similarity? The figure having two figures having same shape but not same size are called similar figures. Suppose you take circle. See here, this circle have 2 centimeter radius and another circle have 3 centimeter radius. Then these two figures are similar figures, right? See here, the radius of these two figures are different, but shape will be same. This type of figures we call similar figure, right? Suppose you take another circle having same radius as 3 centimeter, then these two figures are congruent figures. Okay, so similarity means the figures having same shape but different size are called similar figures. See, in the book they given, we have studied ratio and proportion. The statement, the numbers a and b are in the ratios m by n is also written as the numbers a and b are in proportion. Suppose we take any number a and b and we can write in ratios as a is to b, right? And for this concept we consider positive real numbers. Okay, तो ऐसे हमें रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. तो रेशियो कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? a is to b रहने के बाद a by b को हम a is to b इन रेशियो में हम लिख सकते हैं. In 9th class you study area of triangle, right? Area of triangle, right? तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? या तो ऐसे भी फाइंड आउट करते हैं, राइट? ए बी सी आर यू टेक ए बी सी एंड हियर इज एम. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी एम लेने के बाद हमें ए एम इज द हाइट एंड बी एम और बी सी इज द बेस. तो हम ए फार्मूला लेके करेंगे. फर्स्ट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, right? Area of triangle is equal to base into height. In this triangle base is BC, 1/2 into BC into height is AM, right? इसी तरह से हमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सिमिलरिटी में. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू, वी नो दैट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू height. See here in the book, next concept is a ratio of area of two triangles, right? See here the given, let us find the ratio of area of any two triangles, the given triangles. See here, yes, right? In triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base, right? तो आप लिखो यहां in triangle ABC, right? In triangle ABC, AD is height, AD is height and BC is base. Again in triangle PQR, PS is a height and QR is the base, राइट। तो हमें क्या निकालना है, रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल्स, राइट। तो फर्स्ट रेशियो लिखो उसका, तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR। तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, राइट, होल डिवाइडेड बाय अगेन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, राइट। तो देखो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू बेसिस BC and height is AD whole divided by again 1/2 into base is QR and height is PS, right? 1/2 get cancelled, right? So next area of triangle next area of triangle ABC is divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. So see here, hence the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights, right? It is the condition 1. See here, if base and heights are different, so see here the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Here BC is the base and corresponding heights are AD and PS, right? So it is the first condition. Condition number 1 क्या है? See here, condition number 1, the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of bases and corresponding heights. It is the condition number 1. Suppose see here, suppose base of a first triangle is B1 and height H1. Again base of second triangle is B2 and height is H2. Then the ratio of area of two triangle ABC and triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2, राइट. दिस इज कंडीशन नंबर 1. तो देखो क्या है, द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर बेसेस एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. तो इन दैट कंडीशन नंबर 1 द गिवन, तो देखो फर्स्ट एरिया ऑफ एनी टू ट्राइंगल्स, रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ एनी टू ट्राइंगल्स इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बेस एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. तो रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू b1 into h1 डिवाइडेड बाय b2 into h2. तो कंडीशन नंबर 1, if the height of both triangles are equal. तो कंडीशन नंबर 1, if the height of both the triangles are equal. तो ट्राइंगल देखो, A B C D H P Q R S. See here, if the height of both triangles are equal, then तो देखो यहां, तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या होते हैं वो देखना है. तो in triangle ABC, see here, AD is the height, and in triangle PQR, PS is the height, and in triangle ABC, BC is the base, and in triangle PQR, QR is the base. तो हमें मालूम है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, राइट. तो एरिया ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल ABC डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू, सी हियर, तो हाफ इंटू बेस इज BC इंटू and height AD, right? AD is the height. Again 1/2 into base is QR and PS is the height, right? So 1/2 get cancelled. See here, BC into AD, and the given AD as H divided by QR into PS. PS means the given H. So heights are same. Then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC divided by QR. Are you right? B1 by B2, right? तो देखो, if, तो प्रॉपर्टी देखो, the area of, if the height of both triangles are equal, then the ratio of area of true triangle with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. तो प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1 क्या है, if the height of both triangles are equal, then the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases, right? प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1 है. तो नेक्स्ट कंडीशन नंबर 2. See here, condition number 2, the given, if the bases of both triangles are equal, then see here, H1 H2 D Q Q, A, B, C. See here, and this is P, right? The given if condition देखो क्या है, if the bases of both triangles are equal, then तो हमें मालूम है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC और divided by area of triangle APB. See here, you write here A, B, C. See here, area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle APB, right? तो देखो if, तो कंडीशन क्या है, if the bases are same, then area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into base is AB, right? And height is CD. Next, area of triangle APB is equal to 1/2 into base is AB and height is PQ, right? See here, condition is given, bases are same, then 1/2 get cancelled, bases are same, then AB get cancelled, CD by PQ are, you write here H1 by H2, right? So area of triangle, the ratio of area of triangle ABC and ratio of area of triangle APB is equal to H1 by H2. तो प्रॉपर्टी क्या है देखो, the ratio of area of two triangle with equal bases is equal to the ratio of the corresponding heights. तो suppose if the bases are same, then the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the corresponding heights. तो हाइट सेम रहने के बाद करस्पॉन्डिंग किसके साथ रहेंगे, बेस के साथ रहेंगे, बेस सेम रहने के बाद हाइट के साथ करस्पॉन्डिंग में रहेंगे इक्वल. ओके, एरिया ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल्स. सी हियर, सपोज, तो देखो फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या थी, कंडीशन 1, सपोज हाइट सेम हाइट रहने के बाद तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसेस थे, राइट. एंड इन सेकेंड कंडीशन नंबर 2, सेम बेस रहने के बाद देखो एरिया ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू द ratio of the corresponding heights, right? Suppose, so condition 3, suppose if the height and base of a triangles are equal, then the ratio of the area of triangle is equal to the area of another triangle, or the ratio of area of triangle ABC and PQR, or you take any triangles, is equal to 1/1 or 1:1. So see here, so condition number 3, suppose base as well as height are same, then तो मैं ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल PQR लेता हूँ, राइट. तो एरिया ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC डिवाइडेड बाय द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू 1/2 बेसिस, तो बेस और हाइट सेम है, तो तो b into h divided by 1 by 2 b into h. So 1 by 2 get cancelled. In condition 3, the given base as well as heights are same, then base are cancelled, heights are cancelled, then is equal to 1 by 1. Are you right? 1:1. Suppose condition number 3 क्या है? Suppose in two triangles, if both base and heights are equal, then the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to 1. See in book page number 3, the given activity, fill in the blank properly. See here 1, the given figure. See here A, B, C. This is R. This is Q. And this is P. Right? The given activity and the given area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle APQ. Right? The given direct base into height, base into height is equal to, see here the given activity. See here, so we know that the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle APQ, तो हमें फाइंड करना है. तो area of triangle ABC is equal to, so area of triangle ABC. See here in this, in triangle ABC, right? BC is base and AR is height, right? See here, in triangle ABC is the base and AR is the height. Again the given APQ. See here, in triangle APQ, PQ is base and AR is height. So triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 base into height, right? 1 by 2 into base is BC and height is AR. Again in triangle, area of triangle APQ is equal to 1 by 2 B into H, right? Base into height. So 1 by 2, so base is PQ and height is AR, right? तो 1 by 2 get cancel होते हैं. तो यहाँ लिखो BC into AR and PQ into AR, right? So heights are same, then BC divided by PQ. तो कौन सी कंडीशन है? फर्स्ट कंडीशन है. तो देखो, सपोज द heights are same, then the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding bases, right? तो एक्टिविटी ऐसे दी है. सी द गिवन सेकेंड एक्टिविटी. तो देखो कैसे करना है हमको. L, M, right? Given height as P, this is D, this is Q, right? The given area of triangle LMN, the area of triangle DMN, right? The given see here, in triangle LMN, right? So area of triangle LMN is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. In triangle LMN, MN is the base and PL or LP is the height. लिखो 1 by 2 into height is, so base is M into N and height is LP or PL, right? And again area of triangle, next DMN 1 by 2. See here, in triangle DMN, MN is the base and DQ is the height, right? So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, right? So DMN, MN is the height and DQ is the, MN is the base and DQ is the height. So put this. तो देखो MN into 1 by 2 get cancel होते हैं, MN into LP, again MN into DQ, right? MN get cancelled, it remains LP and DQ, right? So LP divided by DQ, right? If MN is the base, if, so property number 2 है देखो, if the bases are same, then the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding heights. Next, see the activity third. A, M, B, C. The given M is the midpoint of segment AB and segment CM is a median of triangle ABC. So see here, so area of triangle AMC divided by area of triangle BMC. The given, see here, तो देखो, तो ट्राइंगल को हमें ऐसे लेना है, कॉमन पॉइंट है, तो ट्राइंगल AMC, इन ट्राइंगल AMC तो आप लिखना है तो लिखो, इन ट्राइंगल AMC AM is a height and MC is a base, right? Again in triangle BMC so MB or BM is height and MC is a base, right? तो हमें प्रॉपर्टी मालूम है, सपोज द बेसेस आर सेम देन द रेशियो ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल्स इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग देयर हाइट्स. तो AM डिवाइडेड बाय MB, right? Again the given condition 1, see here in question, the given M is the midpoint of segment AB. So the given second condition क्या है, segment or M is a midpoint of segment AB, right? Then AM is equal to MB. Therefore area of triangle AMC of area of triangle BMC is equal to AM divided by MB है, तो हम MB को AM लिख सकते हैं, right? Is equal to 1 by 1, or you write 1 or 1:1, right? Remaining part we will continue in next class.